sunshine. Today's recipe is creamy, buttery mashed potatoes with a hint of garlic. So good. Let's get started. I have 5 russet potatoes, 1.5 cups of milk, which we may or may not use, 1/8 cup of sour cream, a half stick of butter, salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of chicken, better than bouillon, and 3 garlic cloves. The 5 potatoes have been washed and cut up in quarters. The cut up potatoes are added to the pot, and I added cold water, enough water to cover the potatoes, and I'm going to add some salt. Sprinkle in some salt, and then I'm going to put in that half a teaspoon of better than chicken bouillon, and we're going to put that on a medium to medium heat and let that cook up, and it should take about 15 to 20 minutes. When it's done, we put the fork in. If it goes all the way through and it's soft, then it's done. So you don't want to overcook it. So I'm going to set my Fitbit watch for about 20 minutes. See you then. The potatoes are now done. You can stick a fork through it, and they're done. Now what to do is just pour off all the water, and we're going to begin to mash. I added the 1.5 cups of milk, and I'm going to add the garlic cloves to that, and then I'm going to steam this milk. Not bring it to a boil, but just before it gets to a boil, and get that all ready for our mashed potatoes. I have a potato masher, and I'm going to begin to mash potatoes. I'm going to add the softened butter to the potatoes and continue mashing. The milk is now ready. I took out the 3 garlic cloves, and I'm just going to add the milk and continue mashing and get it to the consistency that I like. Okay, I got it to the consistency that I like, and now I'm going to add the sour cream. Gives it that extra flavor, and it makes it smooth, creamy, very creamy. Sour cream, and then so creamy. Now what you do now is you do your taste test, and you could add more salt to it. I added some more salt to this, and it is now ready. Creamy, buttery mashed potatoes with a hint of garlic is now ready. Enjoy. Hello, my sunshines. I truly hope you enjoyed that video. Press that subscribe and notification button